Welcome back to Chongqing. Today we are exploring Shibati, also known as the 18 Steps. It used to be a rundown path connecting the upper city to the lower river. Let's go walk it. Pro tip: gravity is your friend. We are starting right up here at Jiaochangkou Metro Station. This is the upper city. The entire walk today is going to be downhill towards the river. Definitely start here and walk down instead of going up. As soon as you drop below street level, the vibe changes completely. It really feels like an old movie set down here. The architecture is gorgeous, but let's be honest, we are here for the vibes and snacks. The street is absolutely packed with shops. You could spend an hour just looking at the different trees. We walked into this little food court alley looking for lunch. And wow, the smell really hits you first. If you don't like spice, proceed with caution. This is Chongqing. So 90% of what you see down here is swimming in chili oil and Sichuan peppercorns. Okay, stop right here. This looks like an old hole in the ground, but this well is actually the namesake of this entire area. According to history, this specific well was located exactly 18 stone steps down from the very top of the hill. Back in those days before running water, this was the main water source for people living here. It's a cool little piece of real history. After all that spicy food, we needed something sweet. The shops here are super generous with samples. We basically had a 3-course dessert just walking 100 meters. These local treats are delicious. Then we saw a sign for free admission to a museum. Turns out, it was just a very fancy copper shop. The art is incredible, but keep your wallet in your pocket. It's definitely more of a shop to sell things than a museum. And just like that, we have reached the bottom of the hill. Honest verdict, Shibati is definitely touristy, but the atmosphere is unbeatable. It's a must-do photo spot in Chongqing. If you enjoyed this walk down the 18 steps, hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures in this crazy city. See you in the next one.